Class 3 EVS. Okay, now today we'll start class 3 EVS. The first chapter. Open to the first chapter. What is the first chapter? Meet my family. What is the first chapter? Meet my family. Now, in which type of family you live, how many members are there in a family, how many siblings do you have, this you can do by yourself. Now, which type of family? Joint family or a nuclear family, how many members are there, how many siblings, children are there in the family, do by yourself. Now, today we'll start. Write the date 25/4. A family. What is a family? A family is a group of people who are related to each other and live together. Group of people when related to each other and live together is known as a family. You have learned this in class 3. A sorry. A family provides security to all the family members. Since you know each other, so it is a security for everyone. Means safe. You are safe in a family. Security means safe. All family members take care of each other, love each other and have fun. All the family members, they love each other, take care of each other, and together you have fun also. Now, types of families. A family may be nuclear or joint. A family may be nuclear. Nuclear means big, small, or joint. Joint means big. A nuclear family is a small family consisting of parents and one or two children. It is only nuclear. A nuclear family is a small family with children and parents. Turn the page. Next is some nuclear families have a single parents and children. Means some nuclear family has only one. Mother is there and children, or father is there and children. Okay, any single. A joint family is a large family. It consists of grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunts, and cousins. They all live in the same house. Now, next. So, you understood joint family is a big family, everyone lives in the same house. A small family is also called a nuclear family, right? Nuclear. A large family is also called a joint family. This one you do by yourself. In a joint family, write the members, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, anything. Dash, dash, and dash also live along with their parents and children. Now, next, family relation. All the members of a family are related to each other. All the relatives on your father's side are your parental relatives. Now, all the relatives of your father's side is your parental relatives. All the relatives on your mother's side is your maternal relatives. Father side will be paternal and mother side will be maternal. Make it clear. Okay. Now, parents. Once mother and father are called parents. You know who are parents? Father and mother. Parents look after their children. They look after the children. Now, grandfather. Grandfather now. Father's father is called paternal grandfather. Father's father is called what? Paternal grandfather. Mother's father is called maternal. This I just told you, paternal and maternal. Grandmother. Father's mother is called paternal grandmother. Now, father's mother is called what? Paternal grandmother. And mother's mother is called maternal grandmother. Clear? Now, uncle. The brothers of one's father or mother are called uncle. Brother of one's father and mother is called uncle. And the husband of one's parents, sisters are also called uncles. Now, husband of their one's parents, sister, the sister that you have your parents, and their husband is known as also uncle. The sister of one's parents are called aunt, and the wife of one parent's brother, and the wife of the brother's parents' brother wife is also known as aunt. Clear now? Cousins. The children of one's aunt and uncles are called cousin. The children of your uncle and aunt are called cousin. They are fun to be with because you can spend time, so they are fun to be with your cousins. Now, family tree. It tells us about the members of a family. What is a family tree? See, look at all the members are there in the family tree. A family can be divided into generation. Now, see, what is a generation? A generation consists of people born around the same time in a family. For example, now see the example. Your siblings and cousins belong to the youngest generation. Your siblings means your brothers and sisters and cousins are on the same generation, the youngest, in the smallest generation. Your parents and their siblings and cousins, your parents, their brothers, sisters and their cousins belong to the next generation, before generation, means before you, the generation before you, that is generation. Now, your grandparents belong to the generation generation of your parents. Now your grandparents belong to the previous generation of your parents. There are three generations. You are the younger generation, your parents are the generation before you, and your grandparents and the previous generation before your parents. So these are all called generations. Now see, fill in the blanks. My mother's brother is my uncle. My paternal grandfather's wife. Paternal grandfather, that's father's grandfather wife, is my grandmother. My maternal aunt's son is my cousin. Clear? For today this much. Now see, what you will do? You will do activity. What kind of activity? This is the activity that you will do. Okay? You will draw a family tree by yourself in your copy. You will write all the members' names of the family tree. Now see, how will you do? I will show you. You take your copy and see. Like this you will draw a tree. Can you see the tree? Like this tree you will draw. One. You will draw three and write all the family members here. Mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt. If you have uncle, aunt, you can add more. Uncle, aunt, your brother, sister. All the members of family you write here. Names. This will be the activity for you. Okay? You do this one by yourself. A family tree, you'll do it in your copy. Okay? Clear? For today this much. Okay? I think it's clear to you. Now you will read this chapter. You will read this chapter at home 4-5 times. It will be clear to you. Okay? If you read this 4-5 times, it will be clear to you. Okay? For today this much. And next day we'll finish the chapter. Okay? Thank you.